Okay, so this is going to be my first vlog, I guess, and we'll see how it goes. I might have to edit stuff. This new channel is going to be called Beyond the Epic, and it can mean a multitude of different things. Right now, I'm going backpacking and trying out all of my amazing new ultralight gear that I have. I'm currently on the way out there to Front Royal, Virginia. I'm going to go and hike the ridgeline of the Signal Knob Trail. So I'll see you on the trail.
It takes some, like...
Yeah, and I had...
Alright, so I'm going to start off here at the trailhead. Just parked by the car right now, going up Signal Knob. Hopefully I can get up there within an hour and a half, 2 hours, hike up, get to my campsite. And here is my brand new pack, which is the ULA Ohm 2.0. Well, up the path. See the house behind us and the path up there. Let's keep going. Okay, really want to show you exactly what I'm dealing with when it comes to walking on this trail. Super rocky. Again, I'm being very careful. Probably have another, I don't know, 40 minutes to go until I get to the campsite. Alright, bye. Okay, so I am sitting right next to the fire. It's gonna be awesome for tonight. It is getting a little bit cold, my feet are cold. So I'm gonna try to warm them up.